Hi and welcome to Scholar's Tutorial. I'm Jay and in this tutorial we're talking about granting out of privileges by the sysadmin. Odom Grace is the account that is logged in and the person happens to be the vice principal. Now we can carry out this functionality by using this grant privileges menu item and navbar. When we click on that menu item, we're presented with this particular interface telling us that we can actually grant our privilege to another member of staff to promote students or assign students to various class arms for any particular term. We can also grant our privilege for another person, another member of staff to actually assign teachers as subject teachers from different subjects offered in different class in various arms. We can actually assign a teacher to actually prepare timetable for the various class arms in the school. You can assign another member of staff to send SMS to various classes of people in the school system. We can assign privilege to a member of staff to actually carry out fee supervision, looking into the fees record of the student for any particular term. Now, whenever this privilege is granted out to a member of staff, the person can actually use this button to view the privilege assigned to him or her and use the link provided there to work on the functionality that the privilege carries. Now, let's say for example, we want to do that for student arm. We'll need to actually specify a term that the privilege holder will be working on assignment of students to different class arms. Then we need to select the privilege holder, another member of staff in the school system. You can say Ali Dayo. When we submit that, it means that Ali Dayo can actually promote students or assign students to various class arms for this particular term 2014-2015. Likewise, any other one can do the same thing. It's the same fields that will be required to fill. That is the term and the privilege holder, the desired privilege holder. We can do that for any or as many as any of these ones is required. We can use this navigation here in the breadcrumb to actually access the privileges that are currently active on the system. Now, currently, Odom Grace have not granted out privilege to another member of staff in the school system. We can click on all. Then you can view all the privileges that has been granted out by other members of staff. Now, this is a mechanism whereby the vice principal can actually have access to knowing, being aware of privileges that are granted out by other members of staff in the school system to their fellow staff. Now, this will help to checkmate and know exactly what is going on the platform in terms of granting out privilege, because the vice principal is among one of the top management's portfolios in the school system. Now, one of these privileges happens to be that Grace was granted privilege by somebody. This happens to be a vice principal and this happens to be a teacher. The privilege was to view the various fees created for the term this. So this is a fee supervision privilege that is granted for Grace. So the person will be able to view the fees records of each student for the term. Also, this one was granted to Chiamaka Gloria and it was granted by Ezobichi. When you view this, you find out that these are some of the descriptions of different access privileges that goes with this privilege. One of them is that to view assignments for this particular class. The other one is to view results for assignments and many of those ones. These ones has been deactivated, and these ones has this one is active. These ones are deactivated. You can use this pagination at the bottom to have access to the second page, and we can use this one to have access to only the privileges that the logged in account number, which is Odin Grace, granted out. Thank you for checking out this tutorial. Look forward to seeing you next tutorial, and make sure your school is signed up on all scholars. Goodbye.